Around the world, there is a season when people return home seeking the taste of their hometown. In Japan, we have Obon and New Year's. And in Islamic culture, there's the end of Ramadan. Then there is Christmas in the West and Pachumben in Cambodia. What taste of home awaits you at your own place of return? This time, I'm heading to Traping Ropaf Village, a small fishing village in southern Cambodia that I consider my second home. In this small village, blessed by the sea, rivers, mountains, and mangrove forests, I will visit my longtime friend Mai Mai's family and enjoy some simple home cooking. Since I'm Japanese and not very good with spicy food, I wonder if I'll be able to eat it all.
I'm
going shopping with Mai Mai at the market.
そしてここがメインのマーケットです。
And this is the main market.
はい、じゃあメインマーケットの中入って
Well
きま
then,
すけど、
let's
こ
head
の
inside the main
屋
market.
内ですね、屋根がある下に。
It's indoors here with many shops under the roof.
So there are
They
many
have a lot of gold
jewelry,
jewelry here, right?
Yeah.
Of course, I
はい。
bought
あ、squid,
last morning.
squid and this is shrimp, right? はい。イカとエビです。
Squid and shrimp.
甘酸っぱいご飯を作るためかな。
I wonder if this is for making sweet and sour rice.
マイマイさんは買いました。
Mai Mai bought a pineapple.
ああ、カットしてくれてるんですね。
She's cutting it for us.
私がやると指とか切っちゃ
If
い
I
そう
did
ですけ
this,
ど、
I'd probably
手
cut
慣
my
れたもん
finger.
ですよね。
But she's so skilled.
Like this.
ああ、海藻みたいですね。
It looks like seaweed.
はい。エビとイカです。
Shrimp and squid.
I go to market first.
キュウリです。
Cucumber.
あ、皮剥くんですね。
She peels the skin.
で、ブロッコリー。
Broccoli.
よく洗って水切りです。
Washing them well and draining the water.
おい、新鮮なお野菜です。見てください。
Look at these fresh vegetables.
そして登場しましたパイナップル。先ほど
And here comes the
マーケッ
pineapple.
トで買ったパイナップルです。
It's the pineapple we bought at the market earlier.
はい。ちっちゃなのもらいました。
He got a small piece.
お、what is that?
What is that?
Oil.
オイル。
It's oil.
はい。オイルです。あー、カラー。
Color.
Color.
はい。
Chocolate.
Yeah.
You put oil, it become like this.
あー、シャイニング、right?
Shining, right?
はい。エビの皮むきです。
She's peeling the shrimp.
卵。エッグ、right?
Yeah, eight.
うん。
It's eight.
あー、イカの卵が。
It looks like there are squid eggs inside.
ソルト。
Salt.
あー。
You clean it with salt.
あ、塩水で豚肉を洗うそうです。
They wash the pork in salt water, apparently.
塩水で洗った
She's chopping the pork, which was washed in salt water, into small pieces.
刻んでいます。カンボジアでもいろんな
There are various cooking styles in
クッキング
Cambodia,
のスタイルがあって、家庭ごとに違うみたいなんですけども、
and methods seem to differ
これ
from
は
family to family.
今クッキングしているマイマイさんのお母さんから教わったクッキング手法
But this is the technique Mai Mai learned from her
という
mother.
ことだそうです。ニンニク。
Garlic.
はい。マイマイさんのすごいところ、椅子を
What's amazing about Mai Mai is that she's cooking in this posture, squatting without using a chair.
私には到底真似できません。
I definitely can't imitate that.
ソース。はい。ソースを作るそうなんですが、
She's making the sauce,
追っていかないと間に合わない。
but I can't keep up.
So,
Soup stock.
sugar.
シュガー、
Sugar,
And seasoning.
シーズニング、
seasoning,
Oyster sauce.
オイスターソース。
oyster sauce.
But tao nói rằng blend.
はい。オイスターソースです。
And it's with fish sauce.
フィッシュソースです。
Fish sauce.
はい。東南アジアの人、フィッシュソース好きですよね。
Southeast Asians really love fish sauce, don't they?
はい。
Soy sauce.
ソイソース。醤油です。
Soy sauce.
ミックスしてソースを作ってま
She's
す。
mixing them to make the sauce.
こんな感じのソース。
A sauce like this.
Sauce.
塩を混ぜます。
She adds salt.
全然味が想像できません。
I can't imagine the taste at all.
How is that?
中華鍋が出てきましたよ。
The wok has appeared.
はい。家庭によってやり方はいろいろ違うみたいですけども、
Methods seem to vary by household,
これはマイマイ流ですね。
but this is my style.
次は何だろう。あ、ガーリックです。
Next is the garlic.
ニンニクを炒めます。
She fries the garlic.
ああ、いい匂い。
It smells good.
はい。じゃあ次は、エビですね。シュリンプと
Next is the shrimp
イカの卵。
and the squid eggs.
はい。で、次に豚肉です。
Next, the pork.
はい。先ほど作ったソースを入れて
She's
しまい
adding
ま
the sauce
す。
she just made.
次にイカですね。
Next is the squid.
はい。次、野菜。
Vegetables,
そしてパイナップル。
and then the pineapple.
はい。入れます。きゅうりにコーン。
Cucumber and corn.
白菜を入れます。
She adds Napa cabbage,
玉ねぎ。
onions,
オニオン。
Maybe put
あ、
all.
ゾール。はい。トマトと
tomatoes,
パイナップル。
and pineapple.
あと茹でた野菜も全部入れちゃいます。
She throws in all the blanched vegetables too.
Colorful.
カラフルですね。
It's colorful.
これ野菜炒めですね。
It's a stir fry.
Mình dành tí.
うん。
A vegetable stir fry with lots of ingredients.
うんすごい具だくさんの野菜炒め。マイマーさん、ネギを入れるのをちょっと忘れてみたいですけど。
My seems to have forgotten to add the green
大
onions,
丈夫だそうなん
but
で。
it looks like it's okay to add them later.
フィニッシ
Finished?
ュわー、
Finish
フィニッシュ。はい、出来上がりでございます。
And it's ready.
カンボジア風野菜炒めですかね。
Is this Cambodian style stir fry?
豚肉と
A vegetable stir fry with pork, squid, shrimp,
パイナップルと
pineapple,
野菜の
and other vegetables.
野菜炒め。そうナイス。火を使わずに
It's cooking without an open flame.
こう電気コンロってい
Is
うん
it
ですかね
called an electric
これで料
stove?
理してるんですね。
She's cooking with this.
はい。煮込み料理なんでグツグ
It's a
ツいってお
stew,
ります。
so it's bubbling nicely.
そうじゃないですか。
Doesn't it look
カレー
delicious?
みたいな感じですかね。
Doesn't it look like
シチューか
curry?
カレ
A stew or a curry?
ー美味しそう。
It looks delicious.
It's like a シチュー。シチューのようですね。
It seems like a stew.
はい。昨日から作ってもらった、
Yes,
こちらは豚の
this is
角
the
煮み
dish
た
she
いな
started preparing yesterday.
料理ですね。
Something like simmered pork
煮
belly.
卵と
It has braised eggs
よく煮た豚肉ですかね。
and very well simmered
Boy.
pork, I see. Amazing.
はい。出来上がりです。
Yes, it's done.
出来上がりでございます。
And it's ready.
じゃあ、
Well then, I will try the food.
まず野
First,
菜
the
炒めから
vegetable stir fry.
はい。ご飯に
I'll put it over
入れ
rice.
て、この豚肉
It has
とか
pork
イカとか
and squid
入ってますけど、あとたくさんの野菜ですね。
and lots of vegetables too.
で、ソースで作ってもらった
I pour the soup from the sauce
スープをご飯にかけて、
over the rice.
はい。こんな感
and
じ
eat
に
it like this.
ご飯に入れて食べます。いただきます。
Itadakimasu.
うん。美味しい。
Delicious.
素朴な味です。
It has a simple, rustic taste.
全然癖がない。
There is no strong, distinct flavor at all.
ですね。辛くも
It's neither spicy nor overly salty,
素朴な味です。
just a rustic taste.
これはご飯が進むな。
This makes me want to eat more rice.
Yummy.
ラーメン野菜たっぷりなんでヘル
Since
シーで
it's
すよ
packed with
ね。
vegetables, it's healthy, isn't it?
東南アジアの料理だと
In Southeast Asian
香辛料
cuisine,
が独特で
some dishes have unique spices and
あると思うん
strong
ですけども
flavors.
この料理は
But this one has
全
no
く
strong
癖がなく
flavor at all.
日本人でも喜んで食べれると思います。
So I think even Japanese people would gladly eat it.
はい、じゃあこちらの豚の角煮のような
I'll also try this dish that is similar to simmered
いた
pork
だこう
belly,
と思います。これですね、でかい豚肉、
a large piece of pork.
あと煮卵ですね、煮卵。
And a braised egg.
はい。そしてこれもスープが
This also has
あ
soup,
るので、スープもご飯に少しかけて、
so I'll pour the soup over the rice and eat it,
はい、こんな感じ。
like this.
いただきます。
Itadakimasu.
肉柔らか。
The meat is so tender.
さすが昨日から料理してもらってるだけが肉がめちゃめちゃ柔らかいです。
As expected. Since it's been cooking since yesterday, the meat is incredibly tender.
美味しいです。
It's delicious.
昨晩と今朝、そ
Since
して
it's been simmering since last
今
night,
煮込んだ
this morning,
料
and
理みた
now,
いなので多分3時間ぐらい煮込んでるんじゃない
it's
かな。
probably been cooking for about 3 hours.
見てください、このお肉。
Look at this meat.
トロットロですよ。
It's meltingly tender.
柔らか。
So tender.
多分これらの料理は結構日本の
I think these dishes
田
taste
舎の素朴
similar
な
to
料理
simple,
と
rustic
似たような
Japanese
味してる
countryside
と思う
food.
ので、日本人の方にも食べやすいと思います。
So they are easy for Japanese people to eat.
はい、ごちそうさまでした。
Yes, thank you for the meal.
完食でございま
I
す。
finished it all.
お腹いっぱいになりました。
I'm full.
Very delicious. Thank you so much. Oken.
Let's introduce some Cambodian snacks and desserts as well.
はい、お餅。
It's rice cake.
バナナリーフだそう
They
です。
say it's banana leaf.
way to take
うん。クメルケー
Khmer cake.
キ。もっちりしてますね。もっちり。
It's chewy.
うん。そんな甘くはないかな。
Maybe not sweet.
ちょっと塩味が効いてるような
Salty.
感じです。中に入ってるものはなんか味が濃いです。
The filling inside has a strong flavor.
中の肉まんを食べてるような。
It feels like eating a meat bun. They have rice dumplings in Cambodia too. It is called Nam Ansam Truk. It's a meat bun style chumaki with pork inside. If you eat just one of these, you'll be completely full.
大きいです。
Fruit.
おー
milk fruit.
Milk fruit?
Milk fruit.
お
Would
ー
you like to taste it? A bite.
あはい。1キロで
Real.
It's $2 per kilo,
2ダラー、8,000リル、
8,000 riel,
300円ぐらいってことですね、1キロで。
which is about 300 yen. I saw star apple for the first time. I thought it was a peach. It's also called milk fruit in Cambodia. A juicy fruit whose sweet, milky smelling juice overflows. A dessert with gentle sweetness. The tiredness from a hot day just melts away. Wow, that was delicious! The food I had today was truly the taste of home. Mai Mai is a mother to 2 boys. She works at home, raises her children, and handles the housework and cooking. Her legs and back are strong, and she's so light on her feet that it was hard to keep up with her during filming. I truly respect her. Trapeang Rupav village is a small fishing village embraced by the sea, rivers, and mountains. Actually, the specialty of this village is crab. I'd like to try crab dishes next time. If you like the simmered pork, but also want to see crab dishes, please hit the like. Thank you for watching.
Curiosity connects us all. If you love discovering real culture, please subscribe this channel